You're going to see, as I mentioned, new products, some really interesting and attractive new products coming to market. You're going to see us growing our brand through the Watch Your Purple campaign and positioning. You're going to see us talking a lot more about our customers' experiences, because our view is that the biggest endorsers for our brand and for our company are our customers. They are front and center of everything that we do as an organization. So, a little video for you.
Hi, ako nga kay TGM Basel. Ako nag-work sa USTF for 15 years. Na ako diri para mo-share kaninyo ang akong experience sa East-West Ageas kung yung sa pagtabang sa insurance para makasurvive me during difficult times sa ako ang family. Yung with my husband kasi is, ano siya, very loyal, dedicated siya na head of the family. Yung goals lang naman namin is very simple, makatapos yung kids, then yung dreams niya is to build talaga yung carpenter. Wala talagang major symptoms. Nag-consult kami sa doctors, then benign naman yung una. Then for follow-up, doon na na-diagnose na stage 4 na pala. Mao siya difficult. Kailangan na niya isulti kung unsa iyang parang mga billing. At least, na tagaan pag yun sa doon chance para maka say goodbye or maka-billing siya kung unsa. Until pagkawala na niya, na realize na namo, kailangan man nimo survive. Kung saan ako pag-survive, ako lang. Yes, kabalo ko nga naagid siya gikuha nga insurance. So, ni-decide niya mo kuha sa East-West Ageas na insurance kaya para at least na may peace of mind. That things, when I asked sa requirements, is very few lang. I'm glad na approve rin siya. I wanted to cry, pero nasa school, so nagsyagit na lang ko running pa doon sa office. Sayo na yun kayo, sumutong na-convince ang ako ang mga co-workers yun para makuha ko o East-West Ageas nga insurance para sa critical illness. Na-receive na yun na mo, confirm na yun siya, it's true. Dili na ako ma-worry sa future sa ako ang kids tungkol sa East-West Ageas na insurance.
We invest in global ETFs that are ESG rated. So it will be a combination of those that are rated sa Morningstar or Bloomberg that will do the certain ESG standard. So it's going to be via funds. We're not going to be investing directly in terms of projects because as a startup fund, the size might be limited for now. So it's we thought it would be efficient to invest in the ETFs that are already existing globally that are ESG rated.
What's the investment opportunity for ETFs right now? I mean, how much growth have you seen in the last couple of years?
In ETFs, we don't have we don't have a lot of locally available ETFs. But in terms of investing in ETFs, it's an outlet for us. So we can offer to our clients our to give them a taste of global investment. So they can also divest in term or have a mix of opportunities, not just being exposed to the local market, not just our local stock exchange or local government bonds, but we offer also ETFs for Asia. We have Asia X Japan, which is our Asia Equity Fund. We also have a dollar income fund, which is a combination of fixed income and equity. So in terms of growth, I don't have the exact number, but especially the dollar income paying fund, it's been growing, one of our fastest growing funds since we launched it the previous year.